Okay, so hello, and this is Jada Ashley Spencer with Scarlet 27, and we've literally got the radio on my bed. This is going to be a very long video. It could be 2 videos long. It could be 3. We don't know. This is installed by a professional. I'm going to take a crack at it, because at the end of the day, it can't be mega hard, but yeah. I'm literally gonna fiddle with it, film it and fiddle with it and see if we get anywhere. Do you like my hat as well? So yeah. Okay, so as I was saying, so I got all of this here. Basically, what I'm gonna do is like piece together things that I'm pretty sure go together. So yeah. So with some of these, I might cut the little zip ties off. I hope. Yeah, we got more zip ties, so that ain't that deep. Zip ties are like the best thing, just to keep your cables in order and all that. So yeah. So I've been looking around and I'm pretty sure these actually go into the car. I don't think they connect to anything else other than is the car. Oh, they might go in here. Actually, no, they do, don't they? So I just want to get a brief understanding how this works. So yeah, so that goes in there. And this goes in like that. Yeah. Sweet. So they go in there. So we worked that out already. This is the GPS. That goes in that gold one here. Put that aside. I'm sure there's another small little bag. So this. Oh, where was it? I saw something. Yeah, right now. So this goes in there. I don't know where this bit fits into. That is the only thing. I don't know where this goes either. Something else. With this, literally, I connected it all together just because I got bored and I was just like, screw it, why not? Right, this goes in there. No, it doesn't. What is happening? This goes in there. And then you got 2 aux leads. They sort of like plug into 2 of these. So that goes into there. That goes into there. So I think these must be the power to power the beast. These go in here. These 2 here. These must be the power ones. I don't know. I think we should just like try and crack open our car and see what we do from there. I can't really get this out. I don't know why. Scary. There you go. Yeah, I feel like we should just crack open our car, see what's happening there, and then yeah, go by that. The only thing, I don't know what these little bits are for. With the little, I don't know if they're lights. They don't look like, they kind of look like lights, but I really don't think they are. So yeah, I don't really see how this connects to anything. I want to keep this bit separate because, yeah, but I don't see how these connect together. I don't really get the reverse booklet. Hopefully it isn't the same as the actual user manual for this, because that tells you absolutely, okay, right, yeah, this tells you nothing. Sweet, lovely. Alright, cool. I think we should just get downstairs, open up the car, see what goes where, and then just plug it, try and plug it all in. I'm pretty sure this is, I wouldn't say it's easy, but some bits are self-explanatory, kind of. So this goes, yeah, so this goes in there. That one goes in this one. Yeah. Right, yeah. Let's go downstairs, see what it's like in the car, try and crack that shell open because I've got ages till dinner. And then, yeah. I don't know how we're going to lift up that thing, but fuck it, whatever. Okay, so sweet. I kind of have an idea how to do this. I kind of don't. But yeah. Pretty sure this clips down. I'm so scared because I'm pretty sure the airbag's supposed to be behind this. We just clip it like that. Screw it. And then that'd be a terrifying one if the airbag just goes off. And then should we use these? Or should we go with? Let's go with this one. So apparently you just need to I think you clip this off first or something like that. You need one thinner. Oh, there we go. Right, I'm literally going to go down quite a lot of these and then just clip them. Well, using these little holders. I'm pretty sure this just clips off like so. Oh, fuck. Okay, this won't clip off. Let me be back now. Oh my god, that just went down. Why's that gone down? Well, I'll be back and then I'll do a bit more research. Okay, so the videos I'm watching, it's literally just like, you just need to pop it. So I'm just gonna, oh, I think that was one. Come on. Let's just get every tool that's got a sharp edge. Oh, this one's going to be perfect. Wham one. Wham. Honestly, that doesn't really feel like it's snapping off. I feel like I should put my seat forward because I keep sliding back. I don't want to. There we go. Perfect. That is in like mental. Oh, we have liftoff. Oh hello, CD. Oh, God. This said it was going to be stubborn. I didn't think it was going to be this bad. All right, we've got a smaller one. What we can use? Crap, I don't believe we do. Metal fairly chunky. That's just gonna put this CD somewhere. Damn it! God damn it! I should put in the right one, but whatever. I love ATs, that'll do. Might have a sweet as well. That does really not want to come off. Alright, I believe there's one more in the back. No, it's right at the back. Oh god. Can we just pull this off? Oh, come on. See, this one is going to be hard because I can't really get round there. So I would like to go like that, but obviously. Ah! I don't know how we're going to do this. Right. I'm going to go back to the video and see if there's trouble with that bit. Once again with this one, it just says it's really stubborn. So. I wish I had a light. Do I have a? Oh mate, I don't have a light on there. I use my light for the gear stick in here, so I don't have one. Because if I could see where them clips were, then this could be much easier. Let me go and get a light. Right, I've got my dad's iPhone. Right, go forward again. Yeah. So is that a clip there? Oh my god, it is, isn't it? So there's a clip right there, a clip in the middle, and a clip right there as well. So if we try and get this one out first. Oh. Hell, man. Yes! Get in there. I don't think I snapped it. Right, cool, we got this off. I'm filming now. Yeah. Right, lovely. Lovely jubbly. Right, down there. Right, next up, we have to take this off. So there's two bolts, just here and here. And then one of them, oh god. Oh no! That's one of the star screws. I don't know if I got them. Shit. crap. Right, I'll see if I got one of them starry ones. Bollocks. Bollocks. Hopefully I do. If I don't, then I'll just put this on like that. Pretend everything's normal. But yeah. Alright, let me try and see if we got these little star things. And then something to take these bolts off. And then we'll take that off. I'll get back to you. Right, cool. I got some things. I don't actually have one of these little key things. Right, how do I turn? I don't know how our phones work. Yeah. Let's turn it off. I don't actually have one of these little like star things, so yeah. I was thinking maybe. No. Oh god, well this is going to be fun. Well, this one. Well. Yeah. We're not taking that off today, are we? Oh, why has it got the smallest one right in the middle? Oh, mate. Oh, this is so annoying. Ugh. Well, I suppose that's us done. Oh, damn it. God damn it. Damn it. Yeah, I think that is us done. Ugh. That's going to have to go back on there. So click this back in. There you go. Damn it. So, moral of the story, just check out more what you need. All I need is them little stars. So, yeah, I think I just need them little star things going here. Then, see, these aren't budging at all. Maybe like a little spanner or something. I think I need other ones for this as well, to take this bit out. Oh, this has been a this has been a massive fail. Sweet. Alright, I'm gonna quickly get the actual screen and see what it looks like. It's kind of like in there. Oh, on top, but yeah. Damn it. Okay, so now that we actually got that off, this is them two side by side. Oh, that is so much better. The only thing I'm worried about is actually like, oh, I suppose it ain't too bad, but it's kind of what it's going to look like when it's on there. That looks sick. That looks wicked. Oh mate, it's going to be sit a little bit lower, but that would be wicked. That's cool. big screen there. Well, big screen, good. And it actually says we can watch DVDs on here, which I'm definitely going to try that. But yeah, I don't think I'll try that when I'm actually doing it. That's the only thing, taking that out. We just need a load of them little star things. Because that requires a star one, that's a star, star. I think these are just bolts. Yeah. 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 That is sticky and grim. Oh, I can't actually wait to put this on. It's gonna be sick. Yeah, mate, this will be sick. When it's finally on, that's going to be the coolest thing. So I suppose we have to wait until after Christmas, but it is what it is. If I want to do a perfect job. The other thing I was thinking is, as I'd have that up, I was really thinking of spray painting that. So if I take that off, fit that, spray paint this, and then I don't know whether the buttons stay in there. I'm sure you could pop them out or something. Spray paint that, have that red, and then keep that black, keep that black. I was thinking about spray painting the little gear stick thing down here, and then the steering wheel. We could be onto something there. That may look sick. I was gonna wrap it, then I was just like, no, that's gonna be stressful. I don't want that in my life. But if we spray paint it, we could do that. So yeah, I think it'll be more of this color. But I'll try and find ways of how you apply this chrome look to it. So yeah, that's annoying that we can't do this today, but I will do other stuff. I think next video I'll just put on the vents that have been waiting for so long to be applied on. So yeah. Anyway, this has been Jada Ashley Spencer with Jada Ashley Spencer with Scarlet 27. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, check my other videos. Bye.